Hey babes, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you a video. I'm in like a different setting. I'm actually in my bedroom, so completely disregard. Anywho, I'm bringing you a video from Her Hair Company. As you guys can see, if you guys did not get a chance to participate, I had a really big giveaway. I actually ended up giving away I guess it would have been like 2 sets of bundles. So we had one winner and then I ended up selecting a bonus winner just because we got so many freaking entries. But anyway, the original video was actually about this 613 blonde hair, and as you can see, I did go ahead and just tone it. I will go ahead in this video actually give you those clips for exactly how I toned the hair, what I used, and then this is pretty much just like a quick style. So I did go ahead and put some like little cute beach waves in this, like literally threw some waves in it, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know, just a really quick update about the hair before I actually like get into you know, how I toned it and putting those clips in there for you. So anyway, very first thing, of course I love Her Hair Company. You guys, if you didn't know that by now, then you should. The only thing that I can say about this hair is that it is still really soft and silky. It is still extremely full, like extremely full. I did end up using 3 bundles and a frontal. I'll make sure I put all of the details down in the description box. I'm looking at my viewfinder, sorry, but anywho, I'll make sure to put all of that information down in the description box. I've had this hair now for I think about 2 weeks. Has it been about 2 to 3 weeks? I think 2 or 3 weeks. Anyway, I did get a chance to wear the wig. As y'all know, I don't usually wear my wigs like, you know, continuously, but with this one I did wear it for a full week straight, and so I was able to kind of get a full, like, you know, perspective on the hair, and so far I can definitely say I really do like it. Like I said, it's not tangling. The only thing that it is doing is shedding. Now this is the part that's kind of irritating me, to be honest, is because it is shedding. Now I know that I did tone the hair, so that could exactly, I guess that could have something to do with it. It would be no different than like if you were to bleach the knots on a closure. So I toned it and I did use a 30 volume developer, and so it's only shedding in my frontal area, which probably means I use a little bit too high of a developer to actually tone the hair. So I'm kind of disappointed in that, but other than that, the hair is fine. I will say, you know, that's kind of a big thing. I don't know how you guys feel about the shedding part. Like I said, it's not tangling, but the shedding is kind of like, oh my god, this is my first time like getting well, I guess this is my second time having blonde hair, but the first time that I had it, it shed a lot too. So I don't know if that's just because the color is so, I don't know if it's the color, or I don't know if it's literally the hair. Like I really don't know what it is. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to throw that out there just so that you guys know that I did experience that as well. If you guys, you know, seems to do that. Now when I did have Her Hair Company's, it's kind of like their, was it the deep curly hair that I had? I did not have shedding with that, and that was so much more curlier, and that's why I'm thinking it must be the blonde hair. I'm not sure, but either way go, I still love the hair. I'm still gonna wear the wig, like no problem. I can deal with the shedding, but that's just one thing that I definitely wanted to let you guys know. I've been using the same products on it, my Aussie Moisture shampoo and condition, and then also I did use the Shimmer Lights conditioner. I didn't use the shampoo. I didn't really have a need for it, but I did mix that with my Aussie Moisture conditioner just to kind of, you know, deep condition the hair, of course. And then you guys will see that I use my Wella toner to actually like lift the hair. I think I use a T10 and a T14, so both of those. And yeah, pretty much just blow dried it out, threw some waves in it, and that's it. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and get into the styling of this, and also to show you how to tone it really quickly. But leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Thank you guys for watching, and stick around for another giveaway. I'm gonna be trying to do like a giveaway, I think once a month. Let me know how you feel about that. I want to do a giveaway once a month. But anyway, bye y'all. I love you.